Hey there, Mike Wolf from Mike Wolf Mastery, coming to you today from Eastern Europe, Tallinn, Estonia to be exact. The question I get asked frequently is it possible to become a millionaire from real estate? And I mean, absolutely yes it is. A lot of the wealthiest people on the planet have either become wealthy from real estate or they later invested in real estate to keep their wealth. But a more important question is, how can I create a lifestyle of freedom for myself? That's a way better question than how can I become a millionaire? Because I know a lot of millionaires that are miserable. They're workaholics, they're slaves to their business. I know real estate investors that work like huge amounts of time every day. And I can relate to that because that used to be me. Not that many years ago, I was a workaholic real estate investor where I'd be looking for deals and managing my properties and finding buyers, finding sellers. I'd be doing all that. And I had lots and lots of money, but I had no life and I didn't really have a whole lot of happiness. So the most important thing isn't about having $1 million in your bank. That $1 million can come, that $1 million can go. A much better thing to create is consistent cash flow. And you want that cash flow to exceed your monthly expenses. So if I knew for the rest of my life, if I knew my expenses are $8,000 a month, let's say, and I knew every single month for the rest of my life, I'd have $10,000 showing up on my, in my bank account at the end of the month magically. That is a much safer bet than having a certain amount of money in your bank. Because that certain amount of money doesn't really get you your freedom. That money will eventually run out. As you spend it, that money disappears from your bank account. So you want that money to keep being replenished on autopilot. And the best way to do it that I know of is real estate. It's creating that passive income. And instead of trading your time for money, let your money work for you and create this cash flow. Now, in this video, I can't teach you exactly everything you need to know about creating that. So instead, I've created a passive income masterclass, which is absolutely free. And because you're watching this, you get access to it. So if you click on the link in the description below, it's going to take you there. You get to watch. This masterclass. It goes into a lot more detail about how do you actually create this wealth that keeps happening at the end of each month without having to trade your time for it, without having to trade your lifestyle, to actually help build a lifestyle of freedom for you. So make sure you check that out. If you found that helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get all my latest videos. Share it with your friends, like it, and leave your comments below. Once again, I'm Mike Wolf. Thank you so much for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you soon.